I'm Shakib and this is Master. So today we're gonna do a customization video on a Mi Band 4 which is related to band faces, how you can download the third-party band faces for your Mi Band. This one over here is for the Apple Watch, but you can download it on a Mi Band 4 itself. You can also, for example, you can download the PUBG band faces or Avengers or Stranger Things. So let's get on with the video. So in the Mi Fit app you can see this kind of band faces. If you don't like these kind of band faces, you can also go for the third party one, which is I'm about to show you how you can do it. First of all, select any theme, which you have to select any of the theme and synchronize it. You have to go to the website called amazfitwatchfaces.com/miband4. If you want to download the PUBG theme, you can go ahead and download the PUBG theme. There are tons of band faces over here for Mi Band 4. You can choose over here. So I'm gonna go with this Nike one. So yeah, I'm gonna go with this one, Nike Fun. So just download it. From here you can see a different version of the Nike, and it has the languages also. So we're gonna go with the English one over here. Just select the English one, then you have to go back, just go to the file manager and go to the download. So just go to the download and you can see, so over here is the Nike band face. So copy this and then you have to go to your band faces which you selected over here, which you have to match, and paste the skin which we earlier downloaded from the website over here, which is this one. So select the file which you downloaded earlier and go into the more and rename. Just give it the name AB. Okay, then you have to then you have to select this one, go into the more, select the more, and then rename this and just copy this whole and copy this, and then delete this this file which is bin. You have to delete this one, and then you have to select this one and rename this to the whole, and just paste this and hit OK. After done that, you have to go into the Mi Fit app, which is over here, which we selected earlier, which is this kind of a band faces. Just select this, okay, hit on synchronize, and then you can see the magic. So successfully change the band faces into this. See, so this is how you can change the band faces for your Mi Band 4. And I hope you like this video. That's all guys, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit like, comment, share, and more videos like this. Thanks, peace, bye.